Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video where I'm mixing all my foundations into one and applying it and wearing it throughout the day. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared. As you can see, I've already done my eye makeup and my brows. So yeah, I don't even know how many foundations I have. I'm going to put a stab around 100. Yeah. It's a lot of foundations. Drugstore high-end. There's a whole array of colors because I fake tan and then I have foundations for when I'm not fake tan, when my fake tan's fading, when my fake tan is super dark. I have a whole mix of foundations and I'm gonna pop a little bit of every foundation into this little bowl and go for it. Now I have seen this going around on YouTube and I just thought I'd give it a go. So I have been inspired by those in the beauty community doing this challenge and I thought I'd give it a go. I have a whole drawer full of foundations. It's divided in the middle with primers and there's drugstore on one side and high-end on the other. And then I have a whole nother bag full of foundations as well. I'm just going to, yeah, jump right into it, I guess. Okay, so I had one go at it and then too much of the foundation fell in. Oh, I f***ed it. So I had to start again. I kind of thought it would make a bit more. Like it's made a lot. That's probably like 5 full faces full of foundation. But yeah, let's put it on, shall we? I'll use my Becca primer today. Oh my god, I just went over my eyes. I forgot I had eye makeup on. I hope I didn't ruin it. I guess I'll mix it all in together. There's a few little lumps and bumps in there, but I don't think the color looks too bad. So I kind of expect that between the colors, like they wouldn't look too bad on my fake tan today. Like that they'd kind of even out, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna be using this for the next week. My little concoction of foundations. Okay, so I'm taking my XO Beauty flat top face brush. Well, this seems to be working like a dream so far. I expect it to be pretty full coverage because I love full coverage foundations. So I would say it's kind of got like a luminous finish. Like it's definitely not a matte finish. And just blend the forehead out. I reckon I could go some more. Like the coverage is pretty good, but it's not full coverage. Like I can still see my redness coming through there. I'm gonna go for another dip. And yeah. So here's 2.5 layers. I think it looks really good, and the color is actually surprisingly like pretty well matched for just chucking everything in and see how it goes. So you can see that there's a bit of dewiness going on, a bit of shine. That's okay. I do have oily skin, so I am going to set it. I still have so much left, and I'm literally going to use this for the next week, I think. I'll just put some Glad over it and keep it safe and in the fridge maybe. This is nuts. I'll use my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey. I don't know how someone didn't think of this sooner. Like, of course it's going to be a good foundation because it's all of your foundations mixed, right? I still need to cover my dark circles with a corrector. I really like the way that this looks. Using my Benefit Professional Agent Zero Shine Powder. My Savvy Pressed Powder to set the rest. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup and come back. Okay, so all of my makeup is now done. It's complete. I think it looks pretty good. I think overall this was a success. It is 11:35 a.m. so I'm gonna wear the foundation and do a few check-ins with you today and see how I've got an eyelash and see how it wears throughout the day. It is quite warm here today. I think it's going to be about 28 degrees. We are going to be out and about doing some stuff, so I think it looks flawless. I'll show you a close-up. So yeah, I will see you in a few hours. Hey guys, I'm back and it is 7:30 p.m. I thought I'd just do a final check-in now without doing any check-ins throughout the day, but I did forget that I was doing a first impressions and I did touch up. About 2 p.m. I think it was, and it was just like a light touch up because I hope you can see, like, I've kind of got like some sunglasses marks there and I needed to just get the sweat off. But honestly, like, this foundation looks amazing. I cannot believe that this is all of my foundations mixed into one. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I mean, it has transferred a bit from my chin here, but the fact that it's like, I'm not an oil slick and it stayed in place, and I actually can't believe, I just can't believe it. So I challenge you to mix all your foundations and see what you get. Chances are it's gonna be good. The other thing is, obviously when I was mixing them, the ones without the pumps, some fell too much in, so it was, you can't get an even amount of each foundation. But I just don't even know, I'm so speechless, like I don't even know what to say. This has lasted so well. I'll do a quick close up. So the sunglasses marks are just there. So that's it from me today. I hope you guys are doing really well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.